Hey everyone, want to write better prompts for Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create prompts that generate higher quality AI videos step by step. First, open Luma AI and start a new video project using *** text to video asterisk or image to video asterisk. Next, begin your prompt by clearly describing the main subject. Explain exactly what you want the AI to create. Now add details about the environment, lighting, colors, camera angle, and movement. I mean, the more specific your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. Include the visual style you want, such as cinematic, realistic, anime, futuristic, or watercolor, depending on your project. Next, mention the mood or atmosphere, like dramatic, peaceful, energetic, or mysterious, to guide the overall look of the video. Avoid vague descriptions and unnecessary words. Keep your prompt clear, focused, and easy for the AI to understand. After generating your video, review the results and refine your prompt by adding or removing details until you're satisfied. Finally, save your best prompts so you can reuse them in future projects. And that's how to write better prompts for Luma AI. With clear descriptions and a little experimentation, you can create more impressive AI-generated videos every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.